Hello friends, and welcome to the another lecture on construction management and law. Today we will see numerical on calculation of total float, in which we will briefly see the earliest start time, earliest finish time, latest start time and latest finish time. So by using this terminology we will calculate the total float. So before starting, I would like to introduce myself. I am Amey Khedikar, working in the Department of Civil Engineering at Tulsiramji Gaikwad-Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. So now we will begin up with the lecture. Okay, so now we will start with the numerical. I'll read the numerical first. For the following network, find the critical path, also determine total float and project duration. So this is the network diagram which is given in the numerical, and before actually starting we should thoroughly examine it, should thoroughly try to understand it. So from in the activity A to 1 to 2 the total time is 10, from 1 to 3 it is 12, 3 to 5, 3 to 6 it is 5, 2 to 7 it is 12, 4 to 5 it is 8, 3 to 4 it is 6, 2 to 7 it is 12, 6 to 7 it is 6, and from 7 to 8 it is 12. So I'll write it again. So it is 10, this is given 10, it is 12, then it is 6, it is 5, it is 8, it is 6, then 12, then 10, it is 8, it is 12, it is 8. Okay, so it is given. So now we'll start up with the earliest time. Okay, so there are total 8 activities. So I list one. So that is the earliest time 1, earliest time 2, earliest time 3, earliest time 4, earliest time 5, earliest time 6, earliest time 7, and earliest time 8. I am writing this numerical process, try to understand. So for earliest time for activity 1 will be 0, as it's a beginning. Okay, it is 0. Now earliest time for activity 2 will be 10. So it is the 10. So it is 10. Earliest time for activity 2 is the 10. Now earliest time for activity 3, it is the 12. Okay. The earliest time for activity 4 is 18. 4 is 18. How come 18? You can, okay, by mistakenly I have written this. There is no line. Nothing is there. Okay. So how to reach? This is the network diagram where in this portion there is nothing. Okay. So for activity 4, to reach 4, the earliest time will be 12 plus 6, so it should be 18. Okay. Now activity 5. This is activity 5. There are 2 ways to reach this and this. So activity 5, that is 10 plus 8, 18, or 12 plus 6 plus 8, it is 26. So we'll choose the maximum value, 26. Okay. For similarly for the 6th activity, 12 plus 5, it is 7, 17. Then again 6, 10 plus 8 plus 18, 18 plus 8, 26. Then again to reach 6, 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 6, 18 plus 6, 26 plus 8, 34. Again anyway to reach to activity 6, 1 10 plus 8, 18 plus it. Okay, we have done it. Okay, so by which this root we have covered 10 plus 5, 17 we have covered, 26. So maximum will be 34. Maximum will be 34. Now activity 7. So the root will be 12 plus 5 plus 6, 12 plus 5, 17 plus 6, 23. Okay, then 10 plus 12, it's 22. Then 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 6, 18 plus 8, 26 plus 10, 36. Or we are having 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 6. So it comes to 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 8, 26, 34 and 40. So maximum will be 40 to the 7th, and finally 8. So there are many ways to reach to the activity and the critical path. So we are considering it the longest path, called as the critical path, where I can tell you the critical path means longest path. Okay, so activity 8. 12 plus 5 plus 6 plus 12. So 12 plus 5 plus 6, 12 plus 5, 17, 23, 23 plus 12, that is 35. Then again 10 plus 12, 10 plus 12, 22 plus 12, 34. Okay, again the critical path for the 8 will be 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 12. So we'll see 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12. It is coming to 56. We'll check again. 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 12, coming to be 52. What it was previously coming to 56, but what we have to ensure, we need to check this flow, this arrow, we need to check this flow. We are supposed to count from left to right. Okay, it is coming to 52. Now again we will check possibilities of the path. And 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus, not, we have just now taken 8 plus 10 plus 12, it is 48. So maximum, the critical path will be 52. Got it? So by this way we have defined the critical path 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Clear? So by this way we have taken, it is the maximum value. Okay, so I hope you understood the first step. So now after the earliest time, now we will see the latest time. We'll see now the latest time. Okay, so TL1, TL2, or we'll see the calculation TL3, TL4, TL5, TL6, TL7 and TL8, where this space we'll use for the calculation. So TL1, so of course it will be 0 because the first activity stands to 0, it will be 0. Okay, now what is the difference between the earliest start time and earliest latest time? What is the difference between earliest time and latest time is, in this earliest time we need to pick the maximum value, and we need to start counting from left to right. We need to add the successive numbers, but in the latest time we need to start from right to left, and we need to subtract from the maximum total value. Okay, so now to reach to the activity 2, to reach this activity, we have now 52. It is now 52 minus 12. Now it is coming to 52. Though I am writing here, but I will write the diagram again. 52 minus 12 minus 12. 52 minus 12 minus 12. It coming out to be 52 minus 12 minus 12. 52 minus 12 minus 12 is coming out to be 28. Okay, or we have another method of reaching to it, that is 52 minus 12 minus 10 minus 8. Okay, it's another method. 52. So 52 minus 12 minus 10 minus 8. So 52 minus 10 minus 12 minus 10 minus 8, it coming out to be 22. Now we'll again see one of the method again. So 52 minus 12 minus 6. 52 minus 12 minus 6 minus 8 minus 8. It is coming out to be, so we need to reverse the arrow. Ensure this you are going direction which is opposite to the arrow. Ensure that your path should be opposite to the arrows. So it coming out to be 52 minus 12 minus 6 minus 8 minus 8, 80. So in this latest time we have to take the minimum value. So by this step, by this way, we need to calculate to the minimum value. This is the 80. Okay, so it is for, in first case it is 0, it is carried. Now it is for next case TL3. Now 3 we need to reach here. Okay, so for TL3 I am doing calculation here separately, and I will write the answers here. So TL3, 52 minus 12 minus 6, 12 minus 6 minus 5, 12 minus 52 minus 12, opposite to the direction of the arrow. 52 minus 12 minus 6 minus 5, that is first. Okay, and second will be 52 minus 12 minus 10 minus 8 minus 6. So 52 minus 12 minus 10 minus 8 and minus 6. Once again I repeat, 52 minus 12 minus 10 minus 8 and minus 6. Okay, and we have another method, 52 path minus 12 minus 6 minus 8 minus 8 minus 6. So 52 minus 12 minus 6 minus 8, opposite to the direction of the 8 minus 8 and minus 6. So it is coming out to, we will see one by one which is the minimum, and we will choose the minimum. 52 minus 12 minus 6 minus 5 equals to 29. Okay, then 52 minus 12 minus 10 minus 8 minus 6, 16. Okay, then 52 minus 12 minus 6 minus 8 minus 8 minus 6 is coming out to be okay 12. So minimum will be 12, so we'll write 12. Okay, we'll write 12. Clear? No problem. So now TL4. TL4. Latest time 4. So we need to touch here. Okay, keep this point here 4. So TL4. Clear? So 52 minus 12 minus 10 minus 8. 52 minus 12 minus 10 minus 8. So it is coming out to be 1. And we'll see another one. 52 minus 12 minus 6 minus 8 minus 8. So 52 minus 12 minus 6 minus 8 minus 8. And this path we have followed, there is no other path, because we are not supposed to go in this direction, because we have to follow the opposite path to the arrow. So by this way it is not possible, by this way not possible, there is no way. So either this opposite to the arrow, opposite to the arrow, opposite to the arrow, or by this opposite, or by this opposite. Okay, so I'll recap once again. 52 minus 12 minus 10 minus 8. First one. Second one, 52 minus 12 minus 6 minus 8 and minus 8. So we'll check out now. 52 minus 12 minus 10 minus 8 coming out to be 22. Okay, then 52 minus 12 minus 6 minus 8 minus 8, 80. So the minimum will be 18. So we'll write it here, the 80. Clear? So similarly for TL5, for this now, just keep your hand here. 5. So which path to follow for 5? 52 minus 12 minus 10. That is the first. 52 minus 12 minus 10. That is the first. Okay. And second will be 52 minus 12 minus 6 minus 8. I think there is no other path now. If you come by this way, you will get this arrow. If you not possible, so that is the only way. Okay, once again I repeat, you have to go opposite to the direction of the arrow. So opposite. So that is the only. You are not supposed to go with the direction like this. No. If you are following the direction given by the arrow while calculating latest time, then you are wrong. So that is the opposite to the direction, opposite, and this way. So now we'll see 52 minus 12 minus 10, that is 30. Or we'll see 52 minus 12 minus 6 minus 8, it is coming to 26. So the minimum will be 26. So it is coming to be 26. Now for TL6, just keep here. So I think there is no other option than this. So TL6 will be 52 minus 6, it will be 48. 52 minus 12 first, minus 6. 52 minus 12 minus 6. So it is coming out to be 52 minus 12 minus 6, it is 34. It is 34. And for the TL, it is only 52 minus 12, so it is coming out to be 40. There is no other path, and for it is 52. It is the last path. So by this way we have just now calculated the latest start time. Okay, one rule always remember, for the calculation of earliest time we need to add the successive values from left to right, and we have to pick the maximum values from the paths, and from then again in the latest time you need to subtract the values from right to left, and you have to follow path which is opposite to the direction. Okay, which is opposite to this direction. Okay, clear? So by this way we have to go. So this is all about the latest time. So after the determination of earliest time and the latest time, now we will see the critical path. Okay, so what is the critical path? See, I have given here, it is the longest path to complete the project. So by keeping in mind this principle, now we'll try to calculate the maximum number of possible paths to complete the process. So 1, 2, 7 and 8. So 1, 2, 7 and 8. This is one of the path to complete it. Now 1 to 2 we have 10, plus 2 to 7 we have 12, plus 7 to 8 we have 12. So it is coming out to be 34. It is coming out to be 34. So this is one path. Now we'll see again which is the critical path, which is longest path. Number 2, 1, 2, 5, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. So 1 to 2 we have 10, 2 to 5 we have 8, plus 5 to 7 we have 10, plus 7 to 8 we have 12. So 10 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12. So it is coming out to be 40. So this is first case. Second, now again third. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 to 2 we have 10, plus 2 to 5 we have 8, plus 5 to 6 we have 8, plus 1 to 2, 2 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7 we have 6, plus 7 to 8 we have 12. So 10 plus 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 12 coming out to be 44. Coming out to be 44. So again now fourth. Okay, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. So 1 to 3 we have 12, plus 3 to 4 we have 6, plus 4 to 5 we have 8, plus 5 to 7 we have 10, 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12. It is coming out to be, we'll see, 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 coming out to be 48. So now you can yet to, our critical path is yet to identify. When number 5th will be 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 to 3 we have 12, plus 3 to 4 we have 6, 4 to 5 we have 8, 5 to 6 we have 8, 6 to 7 we have 6, and 7 to 8 we have 12. So 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12, plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 12. It is coming out to be 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 12, 52. Okay, and again one more path is there. You can identify one more: 1 3 then 6 then 7 then 8. Bottommost path 1 3 1 3 6 7 8, 1 3 6 7 8. So 1 2 3 we have 12, 3 to 6 we have 5, plus 6 to 7 we have 6, and 7 to 8 we have 12. So 12 plus 5 plus 6 plus 12, it is coming out to be 12 plus 5 plus 6 plus 12 equals to 35. So these are the all possible paths we have covered here, but this will be the longest path, or this will be the longest path. Hence it is called as the critical path, and that will be equals to 1 3 4 5 6 7 8, coming out to be 52. So 1 3 4 5 6 7 8, this is our critical path. I am just highlighting it. Okay, this is our critical path. So now freshly we'll draw the diagram which is given in numerical but in a modified way. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The neatness and cleanness should be maintained. The flow hierarchy has to be already maintained. Alright, this is the diagram where this was to 10, 12. I am redrawing it. You also take the efforts to redraw the diagram during the examination. Now this is the given, but what exactly we need to draw here, that I will tell you. Okay, this was the given, but what we have calculated is now at this point both were 0. Now we need to write it down here. Okay, at point number 2, the earliest time and this time, it was 10 and it was 18. We need to write out every event. Okay, so at this point TE, so we have calculated the earliest time, we have 12, and even we have this calculated. I am writing down, carrying separate sheet for it. That is the 12, that is the 18. Okay, this is 12, this is 12. Alright, so this calculation we have done it. Clear? So at point 4, the earliest time and the latest time. At point 4 we have 18, and the latest time at point 4 we have also 18. Clear? 18, 18. So this we have to write it down here. At point 5 the earliest time, at point 5 the earliest time will be maximum, that is 26, and at point 5 it is also 26. So at point 6 the earliest time equals to, and it is at point 6 it is 34, and at point 6 it is 34. You can see it is exactly equal. Okay, 34. Then at point 7 earliest time, at point 7 it is coming to 40, and at point 7 it's coming to 40. All right, and it is 52. It is 52, the earliest start time and earliest end time. So that means our numerical is correct. So by this way we have redraw it, and we have drawn the earliest start time and earliest end time to every event. 1, 2 is the event, between 1, 2 is the activity. So we have redraw it, and it carries a separate marks in the examination. So everybody needs to draw the diagram again. Okay, now we'll proceed for the calculation of total float. So now in the final step of calculating total float, this is the table we need to prepare in the examination, where table consists of the total 7 rows, 7 columns. First will be activity, and the second will be duration. Then in the earliest start time we will have start time and the finish time. Earliest start time here, earliest finish time here. Everything we have just calculated. Then the latest start time, latest finish time in latest category, and finally total float. So this is one of the cross check is available in the numerical, that either you should, for the total float calculation, either you should calculate this 6th column minus 4th column, or 5th column minus 3. The value should become same. The value should be similar. If it is not, then you have committed something mistake. So now we'll write the activities here. We'll write the activities 1 to 2, then 1 to 3, then 2 to 5, then 2 to 7, then 3 to 4, then 3 to 6, then 4 to 5, then 5 to 6, then 5 to 7, then 6 to 7, and finally 7 to 8. Okay, so now my table has been prepared now, so I'll just finish up the table. So now I have drawn the complete table, and ensure the neatness and cleanness in the examination also as far as the calculation of total float. So 7 columns, and just I have written down all the activities, and I have scaled up the entire table. So now we will write the duration. So it is given in the diagram itself. So 1 to 2 it is 10, then 1 to 3 likewise it is 12, then 2 to 5 it is 8, then 2 to 7 it is 12, then 3 to 4 it is 6, then 3 to 6 it is 5, 3 to 6 it is 5, then 5 to 7, 4 to 5 it is 8, 4 to 5 it is 8, then 5 to 6 also it is 8, then 5 to 7 it is 10, then 6 to 7 it is 6, and 7 to 8 it is 12. So this is the duration we have written, which is these values are given in the examination in the numerical only, like given data. Now our roll starts from the earliest time. So earlier time for the activity 1 to 2 it was 0. Okay, and even we have drawn the diagram also just now where it was 0. Okay, you can also see here earliest time for the first activity will be 0. Then for second activity 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, from both it should be 0. From 2 to 5, then 2 to 5 it is 10. You can see from second it is 10. Then 2 to 7, 2 to 7, you can see here it is 12. It is 12. So see again. So 1 to 2 it is 0. Again 1 to 3, again it is earliest start time was 0. Just like 2 to 5 it is 10. So 2 to 5 it is preceding is 10. Just like 2 to 7 also 10. So 3 to 4, 3 to 4, it is 12. 3 to 4, it is 12. 3 to 4, preceding activity, 3 to 4, it is 12. Okay, then 3 to 6, it is also 12. Then 3 to 6, also 12. Preceding activity, 3 to 6, also 12. Then 4 to 5, it is 18. Then 4 to 5, so it is the preceding 12 plus 6, 18. Okay, then 5 to 6, 26. Now 5 to 6, 26. 12 plus 6, 18 plus 6. 12 plus 6, 18 plus 8, 26. So by this way, okay, it is 26. Now 5 to 7, 5 to 7, 26. Same 5 to 7, same path, followed path. It is the successor. Now we need to calculate the predecessor. So it is 12 plus 6 plus 18, it is 26. Now 6 to 7, it is 34. 6 to 7, you need to 6 to 7. You can see the path here. You can also see the value from here. 6 to 7, start time 34. Okay, so 6 to 7, 12 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8. Okay, that is 34. So again 7 to 8. Now finally 7 to 8, 7 to 8, 52. 7 to 8 is end is 52, but minus 12, that is the 40. In the earliest start time, we need to calculate the preceding value, summation of the preceding value. It is the earliest finish time. 52 is the earliest finish time, so we need to calculate the earliest start time. So it is the 12 plus 5 plus 6. So it is the, we have already calculated the critical path. Okay, so this is 52, add 8, it is 52. But it is just end time. We are only interested to the earliest time. So this is 40. Clear? So I repeat once again. So for 1 to 2, 1 to 2, it is 0. 1 to 3, it is also 0. 2 to 5, 2 to 5, it is 10 preceding value. 2 to 7, it is 10 preceding value. 3 to 6, it is 12. 3 to 4, it is 12. Okay. 3 to 6, 3 to 4. Now 4 to 5, it is 18. 4 to 5 it is 18. Now 5 to 6, now 5 to 6, it is 12 plus 6 plus 8, 26. 5 to 7 also 26. And now 7 to 8, now 7 to 8, we need to calculate till here only. Don't count 12. We need to, confusion was there, maybe there. So we need to count till this. So whatever the longest path, so we have this longest path till 7. It is 40. Clear? So okay, so what is next? Now next is the finish time. Next is the finish time. Now this finish time is nothing but the duration plus the start time. So it will be 10. So 12, 18, 12 plus 10, 22, then 18, then 17, then 26, then 34, 36, 6 plus 34, 40, and it is 52. That is the finish time. You can see the finish time is 52. Okay. So now after calculating earliest start time and earliest finish time, now we'll calculate the latest start time and finish time. But now we have calculated, you can see here, we have calculated the finish time. Okay, so the finish time for first activity will be 18 hours. See, first to 2. So now this time we need to take this count into consideration. 1 to 2, 2 stands for 18. Okay, then 1 to 3, 12. 2 to 5, 16, 26. 2 to 7, 7, 40. 2 to 7, 40. 3 to 6, 3 to 6, 34. 4 to 3 to 6, again 3 to 6, 34. 34. Then 4 to 5, 4 to 5, that is 26, and 5 to 6, 34. I'll check once I have committed mistake. 3 to 4 it is 18. 3 to 4 it is 18. 3 to 6 it is 34. It is 34. 3 to 4. Okay, 3 to 4 it is not 18, it should be 18. It's too complicated, mistake you should avoid. Okay, so then 5 to 7, that is 40. 6 to 7, that is 40, and 7 to 8, that is 52. So now we'll check once again. 1 to 2, consider this 2 to 18. 1 to 3, 12. 2 to 5, 26. 2 to 7, 40. 3 to 4, this I have committed mistake. 3 to 4, 18. 3 to 6, 34, 6. 4 to 5, 26. 5 to 6, 6, 34. It is 34. 5 to 7, 40. 6 to 7, 40. 7, 40, and 7 to 8, that is 50. Clear? So this way we have done this now. Now for the calculation of start time, the fifth column will be 6th minus 2nd. Okay, so 18 minus 10, it is 8. 12 minus 12, it is 0. 26 minus 8, it is 16. Oh, it is 26 minus 8 is 18. Then 40 minus 12, 28. Then 18 minus 16, 6, 12. 34 minus 5, 34 minus 5, it is 29. 26 minus 8, it is 18. 34 minus 8, 26. 40 minus 10, 30. 40 minus 6, that is 34. And 52 minus 12, that is 40. So by this way we have done with the latest time calculation. Now for total float, as I have given, it should be either this value should be column 6 minus column 4 or column 5 minus column 3. So we'll do one by one and we'll cross check the numerical whether we have done correctly or not. So 18 minus 10, it is 8, and 8 minus 0, it is 8, so it is correct. Okay, likewise 6 minus 4, 12 minus 12, 0, 0, so it is correct. All right, then again 26 minus 18, which is 8, 0, 0, and 18 minus 10, it is 8, it is correct. Okay, then 40 minus 22, it is coming out to be 18, and 28 minus 10, it is 18, correct. So 18 minus 18 and 12 minus 12, it comes to 0, 0. Then 34 minus 17 and 29 minus 12, coming out to be 17. Then 26 minus 26, 0, 0. 34 minus 34, it is coming to be 0. 26 minus 26, 0. Again it is 40 minus 36, it is 4, and 30 minus 26 is 4. Again it is 0, it is checked, it is also checked, and by this again it is the 0. So that is all we have verified, and it is satisfying both the equations. So by this way we have completed the calculation of total float. I hope you understand. Thank you for patient listening. We'll meet soon with another lecture.